Hey guys, thank you for being here today. We're going to discuss how technology is becoming a bigger part of education every day, and it gives students more opportunities to learn, work together, and solve problems in meaningful ways. We're excited to share some ideas that can help make STEM learning more engaging and prepare students for success both inside and outside the classroom. We will be discussing skills students will need to be responsible and productive, the importance of educators testing the technology, collaborative platforms, and how Google Workspace can be implemented into classroom activities.
As teachers, we are responsible for making sure students are capable of becoming responsible digital collaborators. The first step in that is ensuring that the environment in which students are in is a safe place to make mistakes and to fail. Once that has been maintained, we can move into teaching students how to become better at digital communication, digital literacy, as well as shared task management. Digital communication is important to understanding how to communicate respectfully with both teachers and peers in an online setting. We've already established that there is a requirement for a safe and secure place to make mistakes. So we already know it's a safe space for creativity. The use of the SLAM method for listening is sit up, lean forward, answer questions, nod your head, and track the speaker. Those will set you up to ask for clarification for anything you might have missed. And from there, you can go on to respectfully negotiate the ideas with your peers and or your teacher. We can move right into digital literacy, which is important to understanding the assignment and the tools needed or available. First step is having access to the information to be able to analyze the needs ahead of us. Next is understand the STEM tools provided. Understanding what tools are needed to finish tasks and what tools we have and how they work are very important to making sure that everything is done efficiently and correctly. It's also important to interpret and visualize information given to you in the digital workspace, as well as how to understand that not all information is free to use and some of it needs to be cited, and it is important to be responsible with the information you use and using it correctly. Lastly, skills for being responsible digital collaborators are shared task management, understanding how to share responsibilities and information with others. You are going to be in environments where there's a lot of information, and it is important to be able to divvy that up amongst themselves. Accountability of participation and roles during a project are also important, making sure everybody knows who and what is in charge of doing everything to make sure everything gets done appropriately. And lastly, ability to monitor self-progress as well as peer progress. Being able to track your own progress and make sure that you are getting things done in a timely manner, as well as making sure that the whole group is getting things done in a timely fashion, everything will be done on time. Thank you.
Okay. What is the importance of educators trying technology before information? So educators should test technology before implementing it in a classroom. The reason we say this is because it could damage a student's personal information if we don't introduce them to safe matters and how to correctly use technology. If we're able to do that, which we are, they're able to make better decisions and be cautious of what they will put in the internet because the internet is forever and it could damage the personal things they have going on. Another thing, such as things they have to look out for, which is hidden viruses or bugs. If they open a wrong link or a website, they could get a virus or a hidden bug that's inside the website. What are the co-learning technology with students as it is being implemented? So when students are introduced to technology, they are naturally fascinated because they are in front of a larger screen compared to their parents' phone. So when they're introduced to a bigger screen, such as a laptop or an iPad, they see like a TV in front of them, which they can touch and tap and find information and play games, educational games, or any games they may find in theirs. Um, what they should be doing is like for teachers, they should act as a guide for students so they can learn about websites and other resources that can help them in their education and also in projects they may do during the school year. Um, it's better for when students seek for guidance because if we're not able to help them in what they may have questions for, it'll be a little difficult for them to understand and how to acknowledge each resource or each website they go on. Technology and that it can be acceptable to make mistakes, but it's also good for students to make mistakes so they can learn from them. Thank you.
Google Workspace for Education is an amazing platform that ties in so many resources that help teach, collaborate, and expand on the topics at hand. By having all the Google Workspaces working together, students are easily able to locate information, assignments, and resources through the different platforms available through Google. Google Classroom allows teachers to post assignments, announcements, and help teachers collaborate for a main purpose in lessons. Things such as Google Chat and Google Meet make communication easier for peers. Padlet gives students the creative platform to share their knowledge on the subject their way. Padlet gives students with accommodations, different learning styles, and varied ages opportunities to participate in a way that makes them feel more confident. Students can view and interact with their peers as well as see others' ideas and perspectives. Padlet helps boost collaboration and engagement. And then our last one is Minecraft Education. Minecraft Education is a great game-based learning platform that offers students the opportunity to develop communication, leadership, and team-building skills. Students can work on a common goal, such as building historical monuments or science models, sustainable cities together, and so much more. This is a great resource to get students engaged with learning their way through a game. It might be tons of fun from the outside, but they are developing life skills such as problem solving, creativity, and collaboration, such and math coding skills, as well as digital citizenship.
Today we are going to explore how Google Workspace for Education can transform STEM classrooms. We'll look at an activity designed to connect students with real-world experiences, engaging with experts, teams, and peers both locally and globally. Google Workspace offers a suite of tools that are ideal for fostering collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. All of these are essential skills for future STEM professionals. For this activity, I propose a global climate change data analyst project. This project utilizes several Google Workspace tools to tackle a real-world issue. Students will be divided into international teams, each focusing on a specific region's climate data. They'll use Google Sheets to analyze real-time climate data, identify trends, and make predictions. Google Docs will be used for collaborative report writing, allowing students to co-author and edit their findings in real time. And lastly, Google Drive will allow students to store all of their documents, spreadsheets, images, and presentations in one shared folder so everyone has access to the project material. This ensures that every student can contribute effectively regardless of their location. The core of this project is to foster a deeper understanding of climate science and the global impact of environmental change. Educators can leverage Google Meet to host virtual Q&A sessions with climate scientists and university researchers from around the world. These experts can provide invaluable insight, answer complex questions, and guide students through their data analysis. They can use Google Chat to communicate with local and global environmental groups, gathering data and understanding community-specific challenges. Through this global climate change data analyst project, students will achieve several authentic learning outcomes. They will develop strong data analysis and interpretation skills essential for any STEM field. Their collaborative report writing will enhance their communication and teamwork abilities. Presenting their findings using Google Slides will improve their public speaking and scientific communication skills. Most importantly, they will gain a global perspective on climate change, understanding its complexities, and the importance of international cooperation. This project moves beyond textbook learning, providing a genuine hands-on experience that prepares them for future challenges and careers in STEM. Thank you all for your time and attention today. We hope this presentation has provided you with helpful ideas and practical strategies that you can use in your own classroom. We appreciate the opportunity to share with you, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you again.